So over here you can see that I have an audio clip on my timeline right here, and if I were to press the play button, this is what you hear. This is a test audio recording. So let's say what I want to do is I want to reverse out this audio. So in case you want to reverse this, what you need to do is go around onto the view menu and then go to properties right here. So once you go to properties, this is what you see, and over here you can see reverse is an option. And once I click on this, what happens is that you can go around and choose the quality of the reversing right here. So let me just go for a very high quality reversing right here, and you can also go for advanced and then select out other options, but some of them are video options as well. So let me just go around and press OK, and now what happens is that it converts out that audio, and this is now a reverse audio. So if I were to press the play button, you can hear out that the audio has been reversed. So that is how you can reverse out audios inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.